Hello from Fanta BH. This time new stream, and as I said in description of this stream, going to build, at my opinion, the best analog bench power supply. This is a board I made by myself. There is link in description of this live stream about how to make such boards. You see it. Okay, I think I will need more light here. There we go. So you see it's kindly copper is very shiny, so reflection is good, but that's the board. In right corner of the stream you can see board schematic with elements on it. I have one in front of me on bigger screen so I don't make mistake, because I don't have technology to print out all elements on the board, like from this side where is what, so I have to closely watch the board schematic on the screen and to place elements one by one. As always, I first start from the smallest element, then switching to bigger ones, because imagine placing big electrolytic capacitors here and connectors here, then placing with my fingers, which are quite big, placing elements like small resistors around here. I think it's good tactic to start with slowest element. All elements are here in this box, but still I will have to measure like this. Well, I need to use my glasses. So can you recognize what is colors? What colors are on this resistor? Let camera focus a bit. I don't wanna guess, so I'm going to use my universal instrument. So let's try this one to see which one is. What the fuck? This one is quite big. 68. Do I have such resistor on my board at all? Maybe this one is came from I don't know where. It's at 20k. $68 ohms, sorry. And yes, I do have. It's first from left, so 68 is first from the left to the right, so it's going here. Like this, nicely and easy. Let's see next one. What is this one? Nothing. maybe 10k. No, it's not 10k. It's 680 ohms, and I do have such resistor. It's third from left to the right, like here. Oh, going, nice. So let's see next. What's next? Nothing. Do I have problems with these leads? This is like 50 kilo ohms. I have such or 47, maybe 47 kilo ohms. And I have no idea where this one goes at this moment. We'll have to check on schematic, as I have one resistor without value on it. Who knows? See this one. Next one. Oh, this is something small. $220 ohms. We should have something like this. Yeah, it's in middle from this side, like here. I could place as well nice and easy. I don't know if you hear me, but you should hear me, and I should see my chat. If someone comes, maybe. So let's continue. Which one is this? It could be 330 ohms. Okay, it's next to this one. Okay. So let's go next. This is even smaller, maybe another 68 ohms, and yes, it is another 68 ohms, and he's up there. Okay, should be here. As you see on schematic, you can see here and here two red lines. That should be like if double-sided board, that will be from upper side, but I will use just wire to link these points on the board. I telling this if someone starts with building his own bench power supply like this one. so you know what is red line. Okay, next one. Should I solder this one? Not yet. What is next resistor? Let's see. I have this resistor and this like small. It doesn't have so like so many elements. This is 10k. I can bet that this is 10k. Maybe you could see this one. You don't see it from that in corner, so I will move it. Yep, it's 10k with all over tolerance. Okay, and what's this one? This should be 1.1 kilo, but I'm missing 4k7. I have one more. This. Okay, this is 1.5 kilo ohms. Like I said, it should be, and it go next to the 10 kilo ohms. So imagine if I make mistake with just one, as I taking for orientation previous one resistor, every next one will be mistake. I just placing something. I wanna watch my own stream, how it going, so that is what I have done right now. Okay, next one should be 4.7k, as that is the one I'm missing at the moment. It's 220 ohms. Yep, it's 220 ohms. So it's one from this side. And what is this one? Did I made mistake? No, this is also 220. So it's okay. And I don't have second 220. I need 4k. This one is absolute. I need 4k. And this one is quite big. This one is 47k. 47k is not used, it's mistake. This is not usable. Okay, what's this one? Let's check on the microscope. There we go, microscope, and let's see what's the. Let's focus Microsoft now a little. You see numbers? 221, so it should be like 220 picofarad. Nice. And that one going like here. Oh, the fuck. Oops, swearing. That's not allowed on YouTube. Sorry. Don't ban me because of that. That's a small mistake. Okay. Soon I will soldier all these. Here 0.1. This is the one I need. 0. Not this one. This one is one I should place. It's current sensing resistor. I was thinking even going to be bigger. I need some tool. I need this, and I will need this. Okay, microscope is not needed anymore. Just let me switch it off. What's next needed? I need to modify this like this. See, this should fit now. Yep, it go in like you can see, nicely and easy. Okay, now we should start with soldering. I should clean this board from protective layer. I mean that layer is let's go like this. It's not big deal. That layer just disappear, as you can see. On heat. Okay. Okay. So far so easy. I need better angle to access this. And this. That's the big resistor. Don't using any flux, as flux is inside this wire. It's high quality wire. Oops. And I lost something. Yeah. This one. Sorry. What's the next I'm doing? I don't know. I would like someone tell me if I am too silent or something like that. I didn't want to be too loud, so I lowered a bit microphone output. If it is too silent, tell me please. Let's continue with what we're doing. Actually, these boards are very high quality at my satisfaction. And if someone who or seen my other videos watching this and wondering why I don't using soldering iron, I represented with digital controls on it. It's just because it does not work anymore. I wanted to order new one because it was great one, but still didn't want, just because it became broken on very bad way, unrepairable totally, because it burned board totally. So after I seen that and noticed that it was working like 9 months, it does not work buying new one. That's update for that soldering iron. Still nobody to tell me anything. This should be a first part. I will just solder all elements today and maybe continue in 2 days. I'm quite tired. I was working hard on my job every day. So sorry about that. Too much of this will go off as I didn't. Okay, let's cut a bit of these wires, just because I don't see anything what I missed and what's done. And as I do have children, others, I keep track of every leg I cut. I don't want to lose it. I don't know. I don't want someone hurt itself by just walking over it in house. I am very careful about that. These pliers are very nice, really. When I ordered them, I think like 3 years ago, I didn't believe they will last so long and be so nice. Before I was ordering a lot of things. Lately I don't, as trend in the world, all prices going up, and but salary stays same, so actually it's every day harder and harder. That's as well a reason why I don't making a lot of videos. Like other YouTubers, I don't have anything from YouTube, so this is just what I'm doing is just, if let's say like this, I started this with thinking about it will go easy, I will start earning a lot of money easy from YouTube after 4 years of making videos and so on. I realized that it does not go like that. You have to do a lot of videos, to work hard. This part will need inspection later about if everything is soldered well. If something goes wrong, it will not work as it should. Okay, let's go with this really not going to need inspection later. Do you see what I'm doing? I can't focus camera more closer, so you see. Sorry about that. This is what I have done so far. As you see, and this camera have some problems with focusing because of reflections. When I get better camera, it will be better. Let's continue. This is safer for integrated circuit. I mean, for this IC, to place holder instead of soldering it directly to the board. And as well, reason why is you wouldn't believe how many fakes exist on eBay and AliExpress when you ordered some ICs from there. So actually I decided to make possible to replace this IC if something goes wrong. Nobody even to say hello to me. You're making me sad, but it's okay. What to expect? I will have like many viewers after how much? 2 months of not uploading anything. That is not how things going on YouTube. I know that, so I will say thank you very much whoever watched this ever. Okay. That should be enough. My expectations are that it's good. Should I do a closer inspection? Let's use microscope and let me see on Microsoft if it works. Let me focus. Okay. Now let's see what we have done. It looks nice so far. Let's see if there is some crossing between legs. Is it here something wrong? Okay, yes, it is. There is no any element. Look at this. I lost capacitor. Small one. Escaped from the board while I was soldering, and look at this one. How he gone out. Okay. And where the fuck is small capacitor? that is someone to ask me funny question about servicing something. Let's see what is it. Translation. You see this translation is hello, do you have cooling fan for a laptop HP ProBook 470G5? Actually I do have, most likely, but not so sure. Have to check in the morning. So let's answer this man. Okay, answered him, and I can bet he will have more questions. Where I lost my... Yeah, I found it. This funny small capacitor. He escaped from the board, and like I said, he will have more questions. Anyone? This small capacitor really making me some problems. I don't... Okay, he should stay now. And now I will try to solder it. There we go. Small capacitor. How it's connected? Did I? No, it's okay. I didn't make mistake. So what's next? What I do missing? I could place this electrolytic. These. Where it go? Where it go? Where it go? It should go like not here. It should go here, and plus should be like, it should be like this. And you see my mistake when I was making this board. You see here, I forgot to print just bottom side, so I printed both sides on the paper and made mistake. You see here, this line should be from top side. mistakes can happen. This should again microscope. I should remove this. We will see microscope next time I go to check connections. Oh, my neck killing me. So from all elements I have to place this capacitor. Where it go? It go like here with his plus down. Actually this is top side, not down. So now I will have to place this. It looks nice, but I do need schematic to see what value is from do you see it? You see this resistor here, I forgot to, it's R4 and I forgot to place what's value of that resistor, so I need to open actually I need to open my Google Drive because there is schematic as well. I have it somewhere on my PC, but who would search for it? Here is my schematic. I can't find it. R4 is between base and collector, and R7, What's the fuck? What's the R7? Where is the R7? Here. It's okay. But R4. I need schematic. Let's make it bigger. Let's find it here. Here even no. Can't find value of that resistor. What the fuck? Again me swearing. $220 finally, and there was one 220 ohms here, but I'm missing 4.7k. I took wrong. I took like what's this, like 47 kilo ohms, like you see. So it's not this one, it should be this one, 220. So let's see, that's the one. I found it, very cool, nice. And that's the next one here. Let's see, let's place it here so we do not forget. Okay, let's solder these, everything. I need something. Maybe this can help. Okay, I think it will work now. Let me solder this resistor first, and then we'll do that's the resistor. Let's cut legs, make it shorter. Okay, now we should do this, not like this, that's wrong side. Here, solder this one so it does not pop out like that. To secure connections, as these connectors are made to connect transistors which are going to be on heatsink. Still didn't decide which transistor going to use for this, but I can bet I will use one very strong Darlington NPN transistor. Okay, and next one. Making nice and strong connections. You see, everything looks nice and easy. I could maybe do it better, but now this. And where is one more? I have no idea, really. Let me check. I do have one more. And it's located here. What do you think about that? A lot of connectors. And I would like to see your comments. Would you like to see me as well while working, or it's on this way good enough? Do you have anything to say? I'm nothing fancy to see, really, 52 years old, but still, maybe someone won't. I'm already tired of this job. But let's make it everything, and in 2-3 days let's continue with this project. Soon my family members will come home and it will become loud. Okay, I need to find that 4.7K resistor. Before I do that, I could place these big electrolytic 4700 microfarads, 50 volts on the board, but orientation plus is up. And again plus is up. Not like that, like this. Let's make solid connections. dog's telling me something, maybe he have to go out. You can see my dog on my channel. There is one video about how I train him and keeping him in good condition. And he's really excited whenever I take that laser in my hands. There we go with electrolytic capacitors. And you know what? When my channel reach 4,000 hours of view times, I will make a giveaway where it doesn't matter because it will cost me quite a lot to send things with post from Bosnia to anywhere in the world, but you see this, I will send you board and all elements needed to make this like it will be made like a do-it-yourself package. So you can build such bench power supply by yourself, because truly it's very nice power supply. You will see in next video, you will see exactly how it works and how good it is. At least I hope it's going to work without problems. So far only left things tonight to do is to find this missing resistor. That will be easy because my resistors are sorted, so if you're watching this, wait till I come back. It will take less than 5 minutes to find box with this resistor, and you will see how I sorted resistors for easier findings. Be right back. Was it fast? I'm back. Here is exactly how I sorting my resistors in boxes like this, and there is some bigger boxes like this. Every value you have its own box, small space. You see it, and here it should be resistors. I'm missing, maybe this box should be 47K, not the one I'm missing, but let's check it now. Did I wrongly wrote? No, It's close to 40.7k, and 40.7k, yes, this is location for. And you see how when you place big elements, how it became a little difficult to place small element inside, but we manage it. Don't do that to me. Oh, this is okay. It should be connected, so it's no problem. Okay, let's remove these legs. And we need to place this red connections. Let me find wire for that. A bit stronger wire. If I find beginning of this wire, where it hiding? Here. Okay, first link going from this side, from this bigger portions to the plus here. Nicely. So let's repair wire from here to here. Should be enough. As it's not easy to keep short to remove insulation, I'm using wires. After a while of working, I realized how many words in English I don't know exactly how to call this in English. I have no idea. I know for this that pliers, but I'm wondering who came and liked my stream, but does not stay and watching it. And as I can see, YouTube do placing advertisement even on my stream without paying me. That's stealing from our work, but allow all of them to do this. So what I could do about nothing. So this one go like this. This ball is starting to run from me. What the fuck? Again. YouTube going to kill me because swearing all the time. I mean Google going to kill me. Good connection, and here as well going to be good connection. And there is one more bridge which need to be done. Fine. And another bridge is between 100 microfarad electrolytic capacitor inside leg. This leg is alone and going on peak here, I think. Yeah, it's here. So we need to make this connection as well to be able to say that we are done with placing all elements on the board and preparing for... I didn't prepare for tonight transformer and with rectifier on it, and didn't prepare power transistors which going to be used. So workshop, hello mate, how are you? Thank you for coming. Really appreciate that. Mogu reći na našem jeziku. Hvala što si došao. This man is great YouTuber, if you're asking me, and really making a lot of great videos about a lot of different things you can buy in Lidl, and as well repair things and such videos. I really love to watch his videos. So this leg of this electrolyte capacitors as well should be connected. It's becoming hot. Should be connected to here, as you can see. And after we manage that connection, make that connection, we will place integrated circuit inside. So this is final look. off board made by my hands fully, as you can see. And now I should place this first. Should fix some legs which are not in place, and markings, and here we go. All done, as you can see. So for tonight I will finish this stream. This was a target of. I will show you a few more things before I finish what I'm building as well, and you will see that soon. That will be video, will not be live, it will be just video. However, this is how it looks at the end, and if you're asking me, this will be at the end, it will be, at my opinion, the best analog bench power supply you can build by yourself. It have all features you should need, like current limiting, voltage regulation, over voltage protection, short circuit protection, inverted voltage protection, so whatever you can wish from one bench power supply. This particle schematic allow you to adjust voltage between 0 and 30 volts, but there is schematic and the way how you can build the practically same bench power supply which going to be able to adjust voltage between 0 and 60 volts, let's say, for example, so higher than 30. In this schematic, 30 volt is limitation of this integrated circuit. It can work maximum 34 volts, so 30 volt is acceptable. However, if you wanna see it bigger on the screen, I could place it under microscope and could enable Microsoft microscope. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, let's turn back, you see, and close by inspection by me. We'll clean it later from this flux which is left. We'll use alcohol for that. However, I don't see any problems around. Yeah, everything looking nice with good connections. Yep. So enough of microscope. And like I said, I will make when I reach 4,000. Actually, when I get back my membership with YouTube, which I actually lost at the time when they changed the rules about 4,000 hours per year of watching times and 1,000 subscribers. I do have 1,000 subscribers, and more. But time is my biggest problem at the moment. I'm at a little less than 3,000 hours per year. So when I reach 4 times, when I sign up, when I get premium membership again with YouTube, I will make giveaway, and giveaway will include one of these. You will get everything what you see here, but you will have to make it by yourself, and you can find me on my channel as well, board with all elements needed to build one great car, automatic car battery charger. Very powerful charger, easy to build. Again, for that charger you will have to get transformer, or to order some nice 15 or higher voltage rectifiers, pulse rectifiers. They are not expensive, but you will get as well that. So all you getting is built by my hands, including boards built by my hands and so on. So this is announcement that about giveaway when I reach 4,000 hours of watch time per year. That is what I miss, and that is what I need from you, my viewers and my subscribers. Thank you for watching this. For today it's enough. I going to rest. Tomorrow hard days on job, hard day on my job, believe me, and I doubt that I will continue this tomorrow. Better to be a little in better condition, not tired as I will be tomorrow after job. And so I think it will be Saturday night. So see ya again very soon. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you are not.